How to grow bells of Ireland. An old-fashioned favorite, this unusual-looking annual grows just 1 year as a favorite for cut arrangements or as an out-of-the-ordinary touch to flower beds. Things you will need: compost makers, fertilizers, garden hoses, garden spades, garden stakes, mulch, plants, seeds. Buy healthy, green plants if you can find established seedlings of this unusual plant with no signs of wilting or disease. Plants should be stocky with plenty of leaves. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before your region's last frost date if you choose to start from seed. Keep very cool 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit until plants germinate, then give direct sun supplemented by a grow light if possible. Plant seedlings outdoors in spring after all danger of frost has passed. Choose a site in full sun with average, well-drained soil and moderate moisture. Set plants 8 to 12 inches apart. Keep soil evenly moist. Mulching is a good idea. Stake plants to prevent toppling and wind. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks or work in a slow-release fertilizer or plenty of compost at planting time. Tear out and discard plants in fall, after frost fells them. Tips warnings. Dry bells of Ireland, if desired, in mid to late summer when flowers are at their peak. To dry, hang cut stalks upside down in a warm, dry, dark, well-ventilated place, for example, in a garage with the door shut. Lime green bells grow along a stalk 24 to 36 inches tall and turn a lovely pale beige when dried. Don't plant bells of Ireland in wet soil, or it may get a disease known as crown rot.